Welcome to Quiz Spark. Think you are smart enough to survive this 7 rounds. Each round has 8 tricky questions that will test your brain, speed, and memory. From riddles, to general knowledge, to impossible would-you-rather questions. Only true quiz masters can finish the challenge. Comment your score at the end and challenge your friends to beat it. Ready? Let's begin round 1. Question 1. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? A correct answer, A purple. Question 2. How many days are in a week? So correct answer, B 7. Question 3. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Correct answer, A lion. Question 4. What planet do we live on? A correct answer, B, Earth. Question 5. Which season comes after summer? Correct answer, C, autumn. Question 6. How many legs does a spider have? That's correct answer, B, 8. Question 7. Which fruit is yellow and curved? A correct answer, A, banana. Question 8. What do bees make? Correct answer, B, honey. Round 1 complete. How many did you get right? Comment your score and follow for round 2. Round 2. These are riddle questions and it is much trickier. Only smart minds will get all 8 right. Let's begin. Question 1. What has hands but cannot clap? Correct answer, B, clock. Question 2. What has a head and a tail but no body? Correct answer, B, coin. Question 3. The more you take away from me, the bigger I become. What am I? Correct answer, A, hole. Question 4. What can travel around the world while staying in one corner? Correct answer, A, stamp. Question 5. What has one eye but cannot see? Correct answer, A, needle. Question 6. What gets wetter the more it dries? Correct answer, B, towel. Question 7. What comes down but never goes up? Correct answer, B, age. Question 8. What has many keys but cannot open a single lock? Correct answer, A, piano. Round 2 complete. How many did you get right? Comment your score and follow for round 3. Welcome to round 3. This round will test your IQ, observation skills, and speed. Only the sharpest minds will succeed. Do you have what it takes? Hey, let's brainstorm. Question 1. Which one is safe to wear? Think carefully. The middle one, because the spider is on the shoe, not inside the shoe. Question 2. Can you find the letter P? Here is the letter P. Now this is where it gets tricky. Question 3. Which glass has the most water? The glass with the most water is glass B. If you got this one right, then you might have a high IQ. Question 4. Which person won't fall from the tree? Obviously, man number 3. Now this is the hardest one of all, but remember to like and comment your score. Question 5. Which prisoner is rich? The prisoner with the alcohol, because alcohol is not common in prison. Did you get them all right? Comment your score and follow or subscribe for more quizzes. Welcome to round 4. This round is all about the human body. How well do you know yourself? Let's find out. Round 4 questions. Question 1. What is the largest organ in the human body? Correct answer, B, skin. Question 2. Which part of the body contains the smallest bones? Correct answer, B, ear. Question 3. Which organ pumps blood through the body? Correct answer, C, heart. Question 4. How many teeth does an adult human usually have? A correct answer, C, 32. Question 5. What is the strongest muscle in the human body based on force? Correct answer, A, jaw muscle. Question 6. Which body part helps humans maintain balance? Correct answer, A, ear. Question 7. What is the largest bone in the human body? Correct answer, B, femur. Question 8. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Correct answer, A, kidney. Round 4 has ended. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, and let's see who's really smart and confident to face round 5. Welcome to round 5. This round will test your survival instincts and quick thinking. Choose wisely. Your decision matters. Let's begin. Question 1. You are lost in a desert. What should you look for first? Correct answer, B, water. Question 2. What should you do first during an earthquake? The correct answer, B, hide under strong furniture. Question 3. Which is safest during a thunderstorm? Correct answer, C, staying indoors. Question 4. If a fire starts from cooking oil, what should you use? Correct answer, C, fire blanket or lid. Question 5. You are stranded at sea. What should you avoid drinking? C, seawater. Question 6. What is the safest thing to do if a wild bear approaches you? Correct answer, B, stay calm and slowly back away. Question 7. If your clothes catch fire, what should you do? The correct answer, C, stop, drop, and roll. Question 8. During a flood, what should you avoid doing? Correct answer, B, walking through moving water. Round 5 complete. How many did you get right? Comment your score and follow for round 6. Welcome to round 6. This is not a normal quiz. These questions will test your IQ, logic, memory, and critical thinking under pressure. Most people will fail before question 5. Can you survive all 10? Let's begin. Question 1. Which weighs more? Correct answer, C, both weigh the same. Question 2. A plane crashes on the border of 2 countries. Where are the survivors buried? The correct answer, C, survivors are not buried. Question 3. What comes once in a minute, Twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years. Correct answer, A, the letter M. Question 4. You enter a dark room with one match. Inside are a candle, a lamp, and a fireplace. What do you light first? Na's correct answer, C, the match. Question 5. If you overtake the person in second place, what place are you now in? Correct answer, B, second. Question 6. Which month has 28 days? Correct answer, C, all months. Question 7. How many animals of each species did Moses take on the ark? The correct answer, C, none. Question 8. What can you hold without touching it? Correct answer, A, breath. Round 6 complete. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below and be honest. If you survived this round, your IQ might actually be higher than average. But don't relax yet. Welcome to round 7. This round will test your focus, logic, and attention to detail. One small mistake, and you lose. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Let's begin. Question 1. Which number comes next? Correct answer, B, 32. Question 2. A doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every 30 minutes. How long will they last? Correct answer, B, 1 hour. Question 3. A father and son are in a car crash. The father dies. The boy is taken to surgery. The surgeon says, "I can't operate." That's my son. Who is the surgeon? Correct answer, B, mother. Question 4. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? Correct answer, A, incorrectly. Question 5. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Correct answer, A, 5 cents. Question 6. What has many teeth but cannot bite? Correct answer, B, comb. Question 7. What can run but never walks? Correct answer, A, river. Before the final question, subscribe and comment your score so far if your brain is still surviving. Question 8. What has keys but cannot open locks? Correct answer, A, piano. Round 7 is ended. You made it to the final round of the challenge. Only the smartest viewers survived all the questions. So, how many did you get right? Comment your final score below and be honest. If you enjoyed this quiz series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more impossible challenges. See you in the next challenge, if your brain can handle it.